Ready to ditch the chaos and start organizing your code like a pro? First, head over to GithubCon and make sure you're logged in. If you don't have an account, it's free and easy to sign up. Once you're logged in, look for the plus icon in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Select New Repository. Now you're on the Create a New Repository page. The first thing you'll do is give your repository name. Choose something descriptive and relevant to your project. I'm calling mine my first repo. Next, add a description for your repository. This is optional, but it's a good idea to give a brief explanation of what your project is about. Now you need to choose whether your repository will be public or private. Public repositories are visible to everyone, while private repositories are only accessible to you and anyone you grant permission to. For this example, let's keep it public. Check the box that says Add a README file. A README file is a good place to provide more information about your project. Finally, click the Create Repository button at the bottom of the page. Congratulations, you've just created a new repository on GitHub. You can now start adding your code, track changes, and collaborate with other developers. Get ready to build awesome things. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.